Okay, we continue the select tab. Here you can select clipping plane. As I said before, the clipping plane on the viewport layout, and you can click and drag. You can refer to previous lesson. This is a clipping plane. If your scene contains a clipping plane, you can go into select and select it, or editing it. We're reaching to surface selection tool. Click and drag to open its submenu here. If you hold your mouse, we have a submenu here. If you select the surfaces, all of the surfaces will be selected. You know difference between the surface and polysurface. I will explain in the previous lesson. Here we can select the open surfaces. As you can see, those are open. Okay. You can select closed surfaces. A sphere and ellipse are closed surface. Trim or untrimmed. As you can see, we have a plane that cut or trim with this curve. Here it's tools. I will be explaining you in detail. Don't worry. It's just simple. Draw a curve and trim this surface. When you select that, it's a trim surface or untrimmed surface. Select all untrimmed surfaces. This is trim surface. All of those are untrimmed. The picture. Also, when you insert a picture, as I said before in previous lessons, the picture are also surface. You can select it. As I said before, select visible objects. It also was in this tool here. You can just select, for example, going in this angle and select the tool, and the software tells you please select with crossing window. As you can see, just the object that visible are selected. All of objects behind those cylinder we will not select it. We have something called planar surface. Another thing that you know, it is planar surface. As you can see, we have some surfaces here, but the planar surfaces are straight surface, continuous straight surface, no matter they are rotated. The planar surfaces does not have any broken edge on them. As you can see, this is straight and flat, but it's not planar because it's had a brick here. And also this surface, it has a curve on it, so it's not planar surface. Planar surface, this. You can select planar surfaces. As you can see, the software just select those planar. Okay, this is select surfaces tool. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.